Welcome to BISP Solutions. Uh, we are back here with in our series of learning the account reconciliation cloud cloud services tool of Oracle EPM. So in this series we have been learning about the different aspect of ARCS and trying to take the different practical scenario uh, um, in the application. So for today's topic, we will be uh, taking the similar topic of data management. The earlier we have done the data management for uh, the most common one, the simple case of loading a data management to understand the process and how it is implemented in the data in the application and how we get the result in the application. So today under the we will also be doing the same data management case with the help of we will load the balance with the help of data management, but for a multi currency transactions. So in this we will be having a currency conversion. So here we will be having the currency conversion uh, of transaction from functional to reporting currency, from functional to reporting currency. So that we will implement it with the help of data management. So, and if we talk about the loading ways, how we can upload the data, that is the of our earlier sessions, reconciliation user interface or by reconciliation smart view and data management. So we will be using the data management here and the task flow which we have discussed earlier. So basically there are the three tasks: the setup task, workflow task, and the execute data load. So just to recall, this setup task and workflow task is being performed in data management, and while the data load execution is performed in the application basis the data which is exported uploaded in data management. So for this purpose, data management using the multi-currency, we have to just ensure the two things, some certain things in which we have to configure the currency rates under the configuration tab, and have to define and have to and under the profile segment we have to update the functional currency and the reporting currency, have to enable this to functional and reporting currency. So let's quickly see this one. So under application we have to configure the rates, currency rates. So under the currency we have defined, so we will be uploading the same in accounting rate, type will be accounting, and the period will be June, from INR to USD. So I will just note it down, the rates which we have defined here. From INR to USD it is 1.25, and from USD to INR it is 0.80. Okay, so we have been defined this. You have to configure this in the configuration tab, and the process is similar as we do in our earlier for our earlier example. We will just create a profile. So click on this profile. I will use the name as 101.100.2.1, and it will be cash and bank multi-currency 2. I will rename as cash and bank multi-currency 2. Okay, and let's quickly define process the other properties. Make it as high. Account value, we will be doing it as the cash and bank cash, and normal balance of it is debit. Will attach some organizational unit, it will be South America, and format, we will be using the simple cash and bank for reconciliation. This is the, and the method here used is balance comparison, and we will just use some, give some tolerance limit in number, so give it as 1000, or say it is 500, make it as 10, and just first save it. I am ignoring this instruction as we have to do a lot of work in our DM, so I am just skipping this step for of instruction. We'll define the user. Our user will be the user 1. Monthly, will give a start offset day as 2, and will give it 2 days duration to complete the task from the close date, and we'll add one reviewer or the approver. User 2 will be the approver, and just give him 1 day. Just save it, and under the currency tab, this is the important step in this multi-currency. We will select the rate type as accounting, and we will enable functional and reporting, and we'll make the functional as INR, because we have been converting from functional to reporting. So our functional currency we set as default currency as INR. Just leave this, also this one, and rules. Let's have a create a rule first, a first rule for reviewer 1. Okay, under create, for reconciliation, the source will be reconciliation, and the name will be attachment total count equals to 1. If there is one attachment total count is equal to 1, then the reconciliation will be submitted automatically. So let's save this one, and just click and save this one. So this is the profile which we have created, and we will be this one, second one, which we have created, and it will be available to us for uploading the data balances. So from here we will go to data management, and under data management we have to set up the source. The source is already available here. Target application is by default available here. Okay, source type, and import format. So we will create a import format first. So let's create a import format. Multi make it as a currency underscore if. Okay, a currency CURR, I am taking this short form, CURRM underscore if as our name of import format. Just define the source here, reset search, it is file, will make it as delimited numeric data. Okay, and our target will be ARM. Now the file type we have chosen as delimited numeric data, and our import format name is A CURRM underscore IF. This one. Just we have saved this one. Now we have been working on this. Now we can see the available target members are already available here, and we have to define the source column. So ACCOUNT, this is account, and we will just open our the CSV file, the data file in which we have to upload, which we will be uploading. So this is our data file, and we will define the field number based on this CSV file. So the account here is on third column, amount here is on fifth column, company is on second column, B column. So we will make write it as 2 field number. Profile here is on 1 number. So we will just save this one first. So we will just ignore this source type. We will define the source type in our mapping, but we have not defined this currency. So we will just go and define, create a this currency target is not available here. So we will just add that currency row. Now you can see we have this currency row, and where the currency is defined in our CSV file, it is on 2 number. It is in 4th number, sorry. So 1 2 3 4 5. Just save this one. So we have created this import format, then we will create a location for it. So I will just write keep the initial names, the 4 5 alphabets as same. A currency M underscore LOC, import format a currency M, and just save it. Now this has been created. Now we will go to this period mapping. We will be uploading it in the month of June. So let's see this June month is available or not. Yes, it is very much available. For January 22 application mapping, it is also available here. June 22, and in the source mapping also it is there is no need to define in the source mapping. So under the category mapping, we have defined the currency, functional currency is available, and the reporting currency is also available. So under this functional, this been converted into functional, but in the reporting it will be converted into functional. Okay, so this seems to be the correct one. Okay, and we will go to the next step of work. Under workflow, we will load the we will make a data load mapping to complete the mapping. So our POV is here correct. The period is May, so we will just change it to June 22, and our currency here is functional, which is correct. So just OK, and under the like mapping we will be sorry, the location we have selected is wrong. It's my fault. So our location here is A current M June 22 functional. Okay, so for account mapping, we will be doing the mapping as star to star, make it as D1, just save it. For company, it will be similar, star to star, make it as D2, save. For data, star2 star D3. Similarly for other dimension, that is profile, the same source value will be the same and target value will be the same. So it will be, rule name will be D4, and for the source type, so we will be defining here as source system. So source system, as in this location we will be uploading the source file, the source system of file here, and make it as D5, D name, rule name. Save it. Now we have created the made the data load mapping. Now the next step is to create the data load rule. So the POV here is perfect. So we will just create the data load rule with a similar initial name, and we'll suffix it with the DLR for identification. Import format ARCS F2. Just save it. Now our data load root file is available, and we got this file upload option under here under details. Okay, so we will be upload the CSV file. So from upload, so this is our source file 101.100.21, and just click this as OK. So this is our file, it has been uploaded, and just save it and just execute the process. Import from source. We have to take this import from source, and start period will be, as we will be uploading in June, so it is coming here as June, and just refresh it. As we got the a green right symbol here under status, it means the data has been uploaded successfully. When the data has been imported and validated successfully, and it has been available in the data load execution in application. Now you can see, we can see the amount here is 10,000, and the amount here uploaded here is 10,000. The profile name is our 10021. Source and profile is the same, and the source type here is, you can see it is source. So as we have been uploading it our source system. So this is the file which we have uploaded, and now we will go to our application, and under application, now you can see under which this profile where we are loading the, for which we have to do the reconciliation and uploading the balance. So there is no amount written here for the functional under source system, and the source system balance reporting, functional and reporting. So the figure will come only when we will upload the data. So the data is imported through period, in period. So under the June month, June 2022, it is already opened here. Go to that, import data, and just click on this. We will give the name as EXPORT. Okay. I'm giving the similar name so that we can easily identify our DM and the other mappings. So the period here is June 22 snapshot, and we will select from the file. So under the file, our location name is appearing here, which we have just created, a current m underscore location, and we will just deselect, unselect all other options available under this location. And one more thing to be done here, we have to just check mark this translate balances to higher currency bucket. So based on which is the from the currency bucket. So the currency buckets are our accounting, alternate rate, unit and tests, but we have selected this accounting as we have uh, in our profile we have selected the rate type as accounting. So just save this one and we will process. So it is let's see what message we came here. Now you can see the all the data, the staging, data load and the post process steps have been completed. It means that the data has been uploaded in our profile. So under the profile we will just go and see this one. This is for the period of month. We will just go and change this one to June. Now you can see the amount is available here. Earlier no amount is there under source system, so it is 10,000 and 12,500. Okay, because we have uploaded 10,000 in INR and it automatically converted into USD based on the rate we defined. So it is come to 12,500. So I will just synchronize this one. Yes, that we can see some more columns heading here. 10,000 it is reporting. It is functional, it is reporting. So we will be uploading the same in subsystem also. So for that I am also making the just reducing the balance here, the space. Okay, okay, now we have uploaded in the source system and will be uploading in the subsystem also. So our subsystem file here it is include the amount of 7,000. Okay, and it will be converted into USD. So under so we will just again go to the data management and we don't need to create the source system, target and import format for uploading the data into subsystem. So for that we have to just create a new location for it. So to do that we will just add a new location here, LOC, and I will prefix it as SS, that means subsystem. It is for the subsystem. Okay, the import format will remain same, a currency MIF file based, and just save it. So this is our location we have created for uploading data into subledger or the subsystem. And period is already there, category mapping is already there, which we have seen. We will go to this workflow. Under this workflow we have to change the do the mapping for subsystem also. So we have to choose our new location which we have created. This is our new correction which is prefix suffix with SS. It is June, functional, and the data load mapping. I have to see this in data load mapping. So under the we will be doing the like mapping. So just do the same process as we have done for this source while doing while we have done for source mapping. So this is our account. For company it will be star to star and D2. For data, star to star D3. Profile, D4. And source type, under source type we will define here as subsystem. Okay, this one subsystem, and make it as D5. Save. Now all the mapping has been created for source type, for profile, for data, for company, and for account. As we have created location, so we have to create the data load rule also, as the data load rule is location specific. So the number of location we create, we have to create that number of data load rule. A currency M IF, just save it, and we will upload the file here. Upload, browse. This is our subsystem file for the same profile. This is the file we have uploaded. Just select that, save it, and execute it. Import, it is for start period is start and end period is our June 22. Just do the refresh and see now it has again successfully uploaded in the that process is completed successfully. Import and the validator. Now you can see the profile here is 101,100,21 and the amount here is 7,000. This one. Now you can see this is although so this is the amount, and we must get, as after converting it, we must get the figure as 8750 in our profile segment. 7,000. Okay. So this is the amount 7,000, and here the source has changed from source system to subsystem. Okay, now we will again just move on to the application. Now you can see the amount is still not available here under the subsystem. So to get the amount here, we have to import the data under period. So this is for June. Import data. Do the same exercise. SS, we will just rename it EXPORT. Okay. A snapshot. We have to take this one as accounting. Data source. We have to select our location. So under file, we have not yet selected the our location. So this is our A current MMSS location. Just click on this OK and see the status. We are refreshing it to get the status. Now it has given all the three right symbol, right signal, Green color symbol here for staging, data load, and post process means the data has been extracted successfully into the profile. Now you can see the the amount we have uploaded is now available in subsystem, functional, and reporting. So I will just select another column under reconciliation, balance, unexplained difference. Okay, functional and reporting. So just move these two into here and make it so just shift preparer to the last end and OK. Now you can see the difference is being shown here. So under reporting, how much is the difference? 10,000 minus 7,000. It is under reporting, sorry, it is 12,500 minus 8,750. It is 3,750. And under functional, source system minus subsystem 7,000, it comes to 3,000. Now the data has been successfully uploaded and we will do a reconciliation for this. So to do the reconciliation, we have selected this profile and need to create the reconciliation. This is for the month of June and just apply. For the selected profile, apply. So it has given us a successful message. Just close this one and see under reconciliation. This is for the month of May. Just go and select June 2022 and select our profile. It is open with preparer and the amount it is showing under the functional 10,000 and 1,000. It is open with preparer. So we will just log in from the preparer window and will upload, complete the next exercise process. I already have been logged in this application of the user window. So just select May June 2022 and you can see one reconciliation is pending which is late. So just click on this. Now you can see it is for the June month due for me. The profile is pending at preparer level. So I will just open this one and now you can see a difference here in it. Under the summary tab, we have got balance per GL and balance per bank. This is for the source system, but we have multi-currency scenario for this. So if we have to see in the reporting as well as in functional currency, we have to choose from here. It is showing in the USD. Earlier it was showing in the functional and it was in reporting USD. Now to see both, we have to select this as the all. So it is showing the balances and in functional as well as in reporting currency for both for GL and the sub GL. Now you can see there is a difference of 3,337.50. Okay, so we will just go to this adjustment to GL as the GL balance is higher and the bank balance is less. So we will do the adjustment. We will do the adjustment to GL. Okay, and short description. uh, we will give it as interest charged by bank not accounted in GL. Copy this one. The impact is on balance sheet. Now you can see we have two columns here for functional and the reporting for both the currencies. So when we will upload the figure in functional, it will automatically convert it into reporting currency. So just save this one. Now you can see it has converted it into reporting currency on its own. Now we will just upload one attachment here. Okay, as we have given the we have noted down the we have created the rule for it. Let's see whether it works or not. Account reconciliation carry forward. Okay, just we have chosen one file, have attached the same into the file. So the attachment we have created. Is there anything else? It is overdue by 432 days. And who is the work under workflow? We are the preparer, and it will go to other reviewer. If the auto submission of reconciliation work, then we have to go to the reviewer side. So click on this and we will just go and submit this one and click on OK. So this has been submitted, the reconciliation has been submitted, and we can see the difference. So there is no difference at the preparer level. We have given the sufficient difference, the reason for this. Just cancel this one. So there is nothing for user one. Now we will go to our admin part and we'll see the status. The status here is under reconciliation. The status here is open with preparer. Just refresh this one. Now it has been closed. It is showing it as closed because the we have created the rule. If some attachment is there, is uploaded by the preparer in the reconciliation, so then it should automatically approve the reconciliation. So that's why it has not gone up to the it has not reached up to the reviewer level. So we can just go and check it here. Preparer submitted it, reviewer one, rule execution assigned to user 2. Okay, that's why it has automatically approved the balances. Now you can see the difference match. Okay, we must have uh, applied this auto reconciliation. We must have given some difference here. Okay, let's see. Okay, now this has been closed here, and we will just go and see under the profile also. Now under there is no unexplained difference here, no unexplained difference available here. So just we will do one thing here under reconciliation. So this is our the profile. We will just reopen this reconciliation for the preparer level. Okay, now it has been open. Now we can see the unexplained difference is still there here. Okay, for the June 2022. So from the Windows user 1. Now it has again been opened with preparer 1. You come back to preparer 1. So he will just again give the reason for all this, and let's see, we will just change the amount as okay, let's see how much tolerance limit we have given in our profile first. This is our reconciliation window. Go to this profile. Under this profile, how much we have given? The 500. Say if there is a difference of tolerance of 500, there is a difference of 5, it will also be automatically picked up the complete the process. Reconciliation will submit the reconciliation. So under cancel, so we will go to this prepare user window, and we'll submit the amount with some different amount. So we have given this as 3000, so let's give it as less than any amount which is more than 2500, 2700. Okay, and just save it again. Functional reporting, attach something here. Okay, and we will just save this one. Just submit. Now the reconciliation has been submitted here also, again with a difference of 300 is still there. And now we will see under the reconciliation from admin window, reconciliation. It is open with reviewer, basically cash and bank multi-currency. It is still because the amount has not yet been rectified. Okay, so that tolerance limit has not worked here. That was I am trying to see here also. Just want to explain you. User 2, user 2. I think we have to change the password for this access control. For this user 2, we will just go and update the password. Save. Now we will log in once again. User 2, user 2. So under the month of June, open. So the review, it came to reviewer approval level 1. You will see that 300 is still there. He will just go and will approve it or reject it as per our requirement. If it seems that 300, the difference of 300 is workable, it is expected, so he can just go and will approve the same, or otherwise, because now you can see he cannot modify the amount here. Okay, because the authority or this reviewer has not the authority of uploading or changing the amount here or provide some detail here. or add do some adjustment. So it is the preparer who is supposed to do all this task. So he will just make a comment and will just approve it. The reconciliation has been approved. And let's see the under reconciliation from admin window. Now this has been closed, but the difference of 300 is still there. Okay, so the difference will remain carry to the next month, and if they find any solution for this, then they can uh, make the clear this difference by providing the the desired or the appropriate reason for it, and will close to it. Okay, so this is how the multi-currency scenario works in ARCS. So it automatically convert the functional amount into the reporting amount, into the reporting currency, from functional currency to reporting currency. So with this we come to an end of this session, and for any questions or query you can always reach out to us at support bispsolutions.com, and for more such useful and knowledgeable video you can refer our YouTube channel. So till then, so till we meet next time, so it's time to say goodbye to you, to all of you, and thank you.